Bang, Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife Kara.
What's up?
And we have an update on the giveaway. We want to go over the rules and everything, and also we want to go over a little something else that got thrown into the mix and give a big thanks to somebody, so stay tuned. We're going to go over the giveaway, the actual items in the giveaway, and also let you guys know there's going to be two different places, a first place and a second place. And we want to go over a couple things like people didn't listen to the rules, or and we're not trying to be mean at all whatsoever. It's just a lot of people did listen to the rules and they did what was asked in the video to be in, to get the knife or get the knives or be in, and some people didn't, and we don't want to ruin it for the people that actually did watch the video compared to the people who didn't watch the video, jumped in, left a message and jumped out. And that's not us being mean. That's just, if you want to get in on the giveaway, just watch the video. It's really simple. The rules are super simple, and I mean, you can pretty much just fast forward probably to the end if you really wanted to, and you'll probably find the rules right there. So, and also leave the comment in that video, not in this one, because you cannot get anything from this video. It's only going to be the comments from that video. Also, we want to talk about the people that are international. Baby, why don't you tell them?
Yeah, so if you are international, I spoke to a couple people, but for those of you who are international and don't know the deal with the shipping and all that, we're going to ship international for this giveaway. The deal that we are kind of doing is that we will cover basically an average cost of what we would have covered for somebody in the US, which is probably around $8 to $10. So outside of that, if there's shipping rules for your specific country or something, we will do what we can, ship it in 2 boxes, ship it apart, whatever you need us to do. We're gonna abide by that and help get you the knife. It's just that if the shipping goes beyond a certain point, you will have to cover that half. So that's what we're gonna do this time around. And you already told them that if they haven't entered yet, it's got to be on the other giveaway video, the giveaway unboxing video. That's where you need to enter, not this one. You got to go by
the rules. We're just trying to be fair, guys.
We just want to make sure that we're giving away the knife to somebody who is supporting our channel. Even if it's the first time you have supported or even watched us, that's fine. We just want to make sure.
At least watch the video. That's it. And like it. Like the video. I noticed there was a lot of not likes on that video. We're missing a lot of likes. A lot of comments didn't have likes. Anyways, let's get to the knives. Let's get to the stuff that you guys are gonna win. And also, there's gonna be, like I said, a first and a second place. And there, let's show the extra stuff. Okay, so all right, guys. Second place is going to be the Kubey Ku203, and then they are going to get to choose. Instead of us picking for you, you're going to get to choose between one of these 4 knives.
And this is second place, just to be clear.
Okay, and you get to choose between the Ganzo F750, very nice knife, and also, we're not going to do this drawing until after we review these knives. We're going to review these knives because these are used knives. So after we've reviewed all these knives in the giveaway, which we will do it very quickly, we promise you, then you get to choose which one you want, because maybe there might be a scratch that you don't like. This is the SOG Sidewinder. After we review all these knives, then you can choose which one you want or which one you would have picked. If you win,
second place,
and also first place too.
Spike, cold steel spike. This one was intended to come with a chain, which because these are secondhand, we didn't get it. So if you decide to pick this with your second place prize, we will throw in a lanyard. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna throw in a very nice lanyard for you. We'll put it on there so you can hang it around your neck if that's how you do things. All right, this is the Kershaw Diskin designed strobe. Very nice knife. Also a very nice knife, but like I said, these are going to be reviewed, so watch for the review
super quickly.
You can see which one you like. And first place is going to get, but before we get to first place, I just want to say that I left a comment to every single person that made a comment. Every single person made a comment
on the original video,
on the original giveaway video. So read your comments, because I might have told you that you didn't do the rules, and to just watch the video and do the rules, and then you're in the giveaway. A lot of people did. Some people didn't. And if you don't, you're giving the other people a really huge chance of winning. Okay, so first place is going to be the Cold Steel Fin Wolf, which we will also be doing a review on. And also the diamond sharpener that comes with a leather pouch for your pockets or bag. You can use it for whatever you want and put the diamonds in something else or whatever. I've never put the diamonds inside this pouch, just in case if you guys are wanting to put a knife in there or whatever. And dun da da da.
Who gave this to us?
Okay, Gear Toward Gear gave this to us. Thank you so much, man. This helps our channel out so much. And
we were not expecting this knife.
We really like this knife, let me tell you.
Yeah.
We really like this knife.
Definitely a hard one to give away.
Yeah, we don't have any Civivis. The only Civivi we reviewed on our channel was Timbo's, and
that Isham one.
Yeah, and he let us borrow that, and we did a review on it. We loved that knife too. This one, I really like. We are going to do a review first. The Civivi Backlash. Very beautiful knife. This knife is, you know, I've seen reviews on it and I never realized from them reviews how awesome this knife is. This knife is amazing. Can't wait to do the review on it, and when I do the review on it, you guys will hear every detail about it, because damn it, I like this knife.
So he sent this to us absolutely brand spanking new, straight from Amazon. He didn't even get the knife first, so the only touching its head is just us opening it, and we're just gonna do a review. Nothing to where we're carrying it to work or anything. It'll just be more of an overview.
Never gonna use it.
So it's not gonna be scratched or anything like that for you guys. So
we're just gonna be an overview. It's not gonna be a real in-depth review where we got to use it and cut with it.
And that's how most of these reviews, even on these guys, are gonna be, because we want to be able to do this stuff quickly so that we can get to the actual drawing.
Yes, for sure.
So real quick, let me just say it one more time.
Used, so.
Second place is going to be the Kubey, and your choice of one of these 4 knives. This one will come with a lanyard, and then first place is going to be that Civivi Backlash, the Fin Wolf, and the diamond sharpener, where the pouch has never had the sharpener in it, so you can use it for whatever you want.
So remember, you're not getting all these knives for second place. You're gonna have to pick one of them.
Yes.
You're automatically getting this Kubey,
which is new, except for what we've opened it a couple times and took pictures and stuff. That's it.
And messed with it a little bit. But then second place, second place is gonna pick one of these 4 knives. You choose whichever one you want.
This one.
And yeah, like I said, watch the reviews. Thank you guys. We love you. And Gear Toward Gear, you are awesome, man. Thank you.
Thank you.